Hi, my name's Hazem, and today we're going to show you how to connect a GFCI outlet. So here our electrician has run some wires from the panel, so we're going to test them to see which one's live, and the one that's live beeps. So but we have there's going to be daisy chains. So now we go to our panel, we want to shut off the power to the outlet that we're working on, and now we test our tool against a known working outlet, like the light switch. And now we're going to test the wires to make sure they're no longer live. So we know the wire on the right is feeding power from our panel and it's not live anymore. So now what I've done is I've moretted them together. So I've twisted them together so that I could see if power is coming through them to the outlet that they're daisy chained to. So now when you get your GFCI, you want to make sure, because it's not like a normal receptacle. You've got screws that show that the load terminals and the line terminals. So the ones with the yellow sticker are daisy chained to the next outlet, and the ones with no sticker get power from the panel. So now we just wire them up like a standard panel, but like a standard receptacle, but we do daisy chain. So from the bottom screw of the first receptacle to the top screw of the second receptacle, and that's what feeds the third receptacle in its own junction box. And then you just screw them back in, just like that. Screw them in, and now we've got our standard faceplate that goes on top. Now you want to make sure you have a little bit of a gap so that your faceplate can snap in nice and tight. And you may need to adjust your receptacles a little bit. And then we turn the power back on, and once we turn the power back on, we want to test each receptacle with our tester, and if it lights up, then we know it's good. And so here I'm testing the next set, and if it lights up, now we know it's good. And yep. Now with the GFCI, you will see there's a button on it that says test and reset. You want to make sure to press that button, and then you'll get a green light, or you'll trip it, and then you'll know that it's working correctly. After that, you can just put the cover on. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.